How to replace transmission range sensor. The transmission range sensor is a computer control system component that determines the position of the gear changer in your vehicle. The powertrain control module receives data from the range sensor and uses it to determine which gears to enable or inhibit. Stated differently, the range sensor makes sure your car always understands the gear it is in. Your car may have issues if your transmission range sensor is malfunctioning. It may result in problems with the transmission or even start-stop troubles. With a few simple tools, you can replace the transmission range sensor at home in a pretty simple procedure. It doesn't take more than an hour to complete, and no prior car knowledge or expertise is needed. Although changing a transmission range sensor is not too difficult, there are a few things to consider before you begin. Take out the transmission range sensor. To accomplish this, unscrew 2 screws, and then separate the wiring harness from the transmission range sensor. Repeat these instructions to install a new transmission range sensor. All of your electrical connections must be made again, and any gaskets that were taken out during disassembly must be replaced. If the lower grille and front bumper of your car were taken off for repairs, put them back on. Purchasing the appropriate sensor. Making sure you're buying the correct part number is the first thing you should do if you're in the process of replacing your transmission range sensor. You run the risk of purchasing a part that is incompatible with your car if you don't get the correct part number. Additionally, there are various kinds of sensors, so when you order one from an internet retailer or auto parts store, be sure to know what sort of sensor your vehicle has. The compatibility of the replacement sensor with the electrical system of your car should be your next concern. Reinstalling the sensor. Reinstalling the replacement transmission speed sensor and reattaching any electrical connectors are the next steps. Next, put the batteries in and give your car a test drive. Take your automobile to an auto repair shop so someone else can give it a test drive if you don't have a spare or if you have a friend who does. How much does the transmission range sensor cost? The average cost to replace a transmission range sensor is $289. The most expensive transmission range sensor repair would cost you $500, while the least expensive choice would only cost you roughly $200. Both of these estimates assume expert installation. If you choose to do it yourself, the part should cost roughly $40. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.